Hi friends, today we are going to know more about the scholarship exam in Maharashtra. So in this video, I will give you the detailed information about this exam. So who takes this exam, result, answer key, sample key, then scholarship amount. So this all information I will give in this video. So let's start the video. So first of all, the scholarship exam is for two standards, standard 5th and standard 8th. The 5th standard names scholarship exam name is pre-upper primary scholarship examination. So next examination will be in the 2025, and the second for the 8th class, the exam name is pre-secondary scholarship examination. So PSS means pre-secondary scholarship examination for 8th standard. So this examination is taken by Maharashtra State Council of Examination Pune. So let's move to the next part. So who takes this exam? So this exam is taken by Maharashtra State Council of Examination Pune, and their website is www.mscepupss.in. If you go to that website and check the things, you will get the detailed information about this exam, everything. Sample last year paper, sample key, detailed information you will get on this website. And this exam is taken once in a year. So last year, this exam has taken on the 18th Feb 2024, but the 2025 schedule is not yet released. But you keep eye on this website. I will also keep my eye, and once I get the information, I will go in the description. If if required, I will create one more video. So this is the information. So next is eligibility criteria. So what is the eligibility criteria? So basic three things basically means major three things I have enrolled here. So those are, first one is student must be the resident of Maharashtra state for minimum last 15 years. So he or she should be resident of Maharashtra for last 15 years. So that is the first criteria, major criteria. Exam student must be studying in 5th standard for 5th standard scholarship exam, and student must be studying in 8th class for 8th standard scholarship exam, that is PSS. And the major one more thing is the age criteria. So age criteria is for 5th standard is for all category is 11 years, and for differently abled person it's 15 years, 4 years extra. Same for the 8th class PSS exam, it's minimum uh, age requirement is 14 years, and different able person have 4 year extra. So that person, that student age criteria is 18 years. Eligibility criteria. To apply for this examination, you need to approach your school to fill the form. It's school responsibility to get all the required details and the required documents, collect the fee, and then enroll the student for the examination. So if you want to apply for this examination, please reach out to your school and check. So when they are going to submit the application, so you can provide the required document like your scan photo, scan signature, if required an Aadhaar card, bank account. Aadhaar card and bank account are not mandatory, but it is required. For example, if you pass the examination to get your scholarship credited to your accounts, so it is required that you need to have proper account so that that scholarship account will be credited to your account. So that is the required thing. I wish you all will clear this examination and the scholarship will be credited to your account. So good luck. Now let's move to the exam pattern. This is very much important. So exam pattern basically contains, this is for 5th class. Let's cover 5th class first. So basically this examination contains paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 contains two subject, paper 2 again contains two subject. In paper 1 there are two subject. The first one is first language, for example, Marathi you take. So in that Marathi, you will have 25 questions, 50 marks, and the compulsory paper is second one is mathematics. So that will have 50 questions and 100 marks. So like that means the total number of questions are 75 and marks are 150. So the first paper having two subject with 75 questions, 150 marks. Now the paper 2 contains again two subject, third language and the intelligence test. Third language again will have 25 question, 50 marks, and the intelligence test 50 question, 100 marks. So like that, again paper 1 and paper 2 having same number of questions. Those are 75, 75, and marks are 150, 150. That means one question having 2 marks. And the very, very important thing that is timing. So for this paper 1, you will get 90 minutes, means 1 hour 30 minutes to complete the examination. Paper 2 will also have 90 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. And the difficulty level of question, if you consider, so the easy question is 30%, minimum level question 40%, difficult question 30%, like that 100%. And the very important thing always keep in mind while solving the any question to properly solve all questions, complete to not miss any question or to not take any extra time for that question. So important thing you need to keep in mind that for one question you will get 72 seconds. So while you will do the practice, always keep in mind that I will have only 72 seconds to solve this question. According to that, you need to prepare your skills, you need to do the study, practice it, and then implement in the examination. Now, for the 8th class, his paper pattern is same. Two paper, first first paper contains first language and then mathematics. Number of question, first language 25 question, 50 marks. Mathematics 50 question, 100 marks. Total number of question for paper 1 is 75 questions and 150 marks. And the paper 2 contains third language and intelligence test. In third language, you will have 25 question, 50 marks, and intelligence test 50 question, 100 marks. Now, the paper 1 and paper 2 are having similar questions, similar number of questions, 75, 75, and 150, 150 marks. So, your scholarship exam is having total 300 marks. So you need to get out of 300 marks whatever you will get. So total are the 300 marks. And the timing for paper 1 is 90 minutes, means 1 hour 30 minutes. Again, for the paper 2, it's 90 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. In between two paper, you will have good break, like 1 hour or 2 hours, something like that. And then the second paper on the same day. And the difficulty level is very much important for this examination, means easy question 30%, medium level question 40%, and difficult level question 30%. But here there is one change that you need to highlight this point. Always keep in mind between 5th standard and 8th standard is that maximum 20% of the question in 8th class scholarship exam. I am repeating, maximum 20% of the questions in 8th class, not in 5th class, will have multi-choice, multi-answer question. For example, question A having four options. So out of four, you need to give correct two answers. And it is necessary that both answers should be correct. If one is correct, one is wrong, that means you will not get answer. The question is wrong. So get the complete marks, means 2 marks of that particular question. You need to give both answers correctly. I will show that part also in the answer key of the next section. So always keep in mind, few questions will have multi choice. While reading the question, please be careful. Now, this is the sample answer sheet. This is for fifth standard. Both the fifth standard and eighth standards answer sheet are same. This is the sample answer sheet. So you'll get the same in your examination. Here, the important thing is they are clearly mentioned in this sample sheet is that you need to fill that round completely. So always do the practice while solving the question. Mark that round completely only within the boundary line. Don't get this fill outside your round. So make it proper. Only filling is the option that you need to follow. Cross mark, dot, right, half filled around. This will not be accepted. It is important that you always mark that circle properly within the boundary line, and because thing is that here this will not get directly in the examination. You need to do the practice a lot before the examination so that you will have perfection while filling the round that particular part, and the timing that is taken to fill that round. So it's important to do the practice well before examination. That will definitely help you in the examination, because here one marks is very much important. I don't want to miss your marks by some negligence, by ignoring some part. So that is not accepted. You need to be very cautious while giving the answers and giving the filling this answer sheet. So this is the important thing. Let's move to the 8th standard sample sheet. So this is the one. So it is similar. Fifth standard and standard answer sheet are similar, but the important thing that here in its standard is that as I said in my previous slide, you will have maximum 20% of the questions with multi-choice, multi-answer. Means out of four, you need to give two answers correctly. So in that case, you need to fill this circle two times for one question. So that also you need to keep in mind. If you need to read the questions correctly, check whether this question is having multi answers. According to that, you need to fill this round properly two times in one question. So only in single line, that you need to always be very cautious. So once you give the exam, after some days, means Maharashtra State Examination Council will release the answer key of each paper set. You will have one ABCD paper set. So according to your paper set, you can download it from the website mscepupPSS.in and check whether answer given by you are correct or not. So like that also, before the exam result, you can download this sheet, check your paper set, whatever it is. Don't check the other paper set. Whatever paper set you got in exam, keep it properly. When and if you mark on the paper set that this is my question, for one question I mark as a answer B, C, whatever it is. So once they release the answer key, you check your answers with this answer key and check how many marks you will get. So mm, it's important thing that before a final result you need to know how many questions you solve correctly or wrong. So that is important. In case of any star marks on the any of the question in answer sheet, that means those questions are removed from the examination. You will get the marks of that question, but those are removed due to some typo error or wrong question, wrong answer. There are a number of reasons that paper in that paper the question has been removed, so that you need to keep in mind if there is any star mark. Here in the 8th class answer sheet, see I have marked in yellow color question number 3, question number 28. And there if you see that those are the multi-answer, multi-choice, multi-answer question. So while checking also, you need to check these options 1 and 4, 2 and 3, whatever it is. And while filling the answer sheet also, you need to keep in mind that I need to give the two answers. Okay. Okay, now coming to the result. If you want to check the result, they will give the notification that result has been declared. Person or the student you want to check can go to this website. The website is mscpupPSS.in. Then you need to give your 11-digit candidate seat number and you can download the result. Now the scholarship amount. for the pre-upper primary scholarship examination, that is fifth standard, and the amount is 500 rupees per month and 5,000 rupees per year. Not and means it is if you calculate for 1 year, you will get a 5,000 rupees. And for the pre-secondary scholarship examination, 8th standard, so the per month scholarship is 750 rupees per month, and you will get total amount is 7,500 per year. So this is the information about this examination. So if you like this examination information, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel. So we have one important thing on the next slide. So I requesting your help to like and subscribe this channel because I'm going to start weekend batch for the only hardworking people and the student who are unable to pay the fee amount. This is completely non-commercial course. If you want to attend this course, so I will try my best to take batch on a weekend. I will try to explain the things as much as possible so that you can prepare for this competitive exam. It's very important thing. So yeah, uh, this is for the complete examination. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Thank you.